Here I have TCL 20L, and today I'm going to show you how to enter safe mode on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to hold down power key, and after this turn off menu appears, you just have to hold your finger on power off. After it proposes you to reboot to safe mode, just tap OK, and after that device will be restarted in a safe mode. And as you can see, the sign says safe mode, which is the proof that we are in a safe mode right now. If you want to quit this mode, just restart your device, and after that it will be restarted in a normal mode. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.